I got my basket of makeup. I'm ready. Since I'm going to be starting off with my eyes first, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Cute AF eyeshadow palette for this look today. I'm going to go in with this pink shade right there, and I'm just going to be blending that all into my transition area. I'm going to go in with the shade right over. Down to this little like maroon shade. I'm going to keep that really low, super low in my crease. And if you move your brush in circular motions, that will give a way more seamless... Oh, he's texting me. That will give your eyeshadow a way more like seamless look. I'm just gonna go in with this really dark shade, putting that on the outer corner, just to add some dimension. And then sweeping it into the crease. Take NYX Glam Liner, and I'm just going to put that on the center of the lid where I still have like skin showing. I'm going to go in with that maroon and that dark brown and just kind of blend out the edges, at the edges. So I'm going to go in with the Milani concealer, or whatever this is, foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline Age Rewind, just like the same one I used to prime my eyes with. So I'm just gonna go in with these two shades right there, that pink and that maroon, and blend those underneath my eye.
With you.